What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you can you play Hunter Call of the Wild with keyboard and mouse on Xbox. So you might be wondering how to exactly play the Hunter Call of the Wild in using your keyboard and your mouse in Xbox. Now the thing with this game here is there are some certain limitations. Now currently, in order for you to play the game, you need to use a controller. So it does not support a keyboard as well as a mouse for the game itself, which is something very important here. Sometimes a keyboard and mouse is a lot easier for playing certain games, but then again, with the current version or the Xbox version here, it does not support that way or that type of input. But the great thing about this game here is you can actually buy the game in different platforms, like for example Steam, which in this case Steam is well known for selling games that you can play on your keyboard as well as your mouse here. So you could go ahead and try using that. But yeah, so unfortunately, you won't be able to use it, or you won't be able to use a mouse and keyboard via Xbox here. But if you bought a game via Steam here, so if I'm not mistaken, it's currently on sale. So you may want to check your Steam account right now and see if you can buy it. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.